Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and edit your shop's about section on Etsy. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing I want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Etsy website right here at etsy.com if you have not already. So after opening it up, this is going to be the main page you are greeted by. From this home page, in the upper right corner, we can get started with logging into our account. This is what you want to do. You want to go and create an account if you do not already have one. If you have one, just go ahead and log in. So after you have logged in, you are going to be greeted by this home page, and at the top of the screen, we can access the shop manager. So if you do not already have a shop, accessing the manager is going to enable you to go ahead and create your shop, so you can go ahead and get started setting it up. And once you've set up, now we can go ahead and get started editing our about section. So basically guys, as you can see right here in the official Etsy help center, we have an article on how to edit the shop's about section. This is where you can share the story of your business. So you're going to go to etsy.com and open up the shop manager just like I have showed you. So after opening it up, you're going to select the pencil icon next to your shop name under sales channels. So find sales channels, and under there you're going to see the pencil icon. You can just go ahead and find this article right here and open up the links directly if you want. As you can see, it's going to look like this, the shop home editor, and then you're going to scroll to the about section. So you're going to scroll down and find the about section guys, and from here you can add your story. As you can see, click add your story, tell shoppers a little about your business, and this is going to enable you to input the about section. That's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.